Gary from Centric in Solihull. I'm here outside Buryfield Road where we've got this fantastic opportunity to purchase this gorgeous 4-bedroom detached family home. So come on in and see what we've got. So internally we have 2 formal receptions, a large eating kitchen cum conservatory at the rear, a utility and downstairs shower room. Upstairs you've got the 4 bedrooms and the main family bathroom. So to the rear, you've got this excellent established garden, which does have views over the 17th green of Olton golf course behind me. For more information or to arrange a viewing, contact myself, Gary, or Nancy on 0121 705 3242 option 1.